Shalom and good morning from Jerusalem. We are standing here in the Knesset. I'm Adam Fishman, American Friends of Likud Executive Director. We are standing in the corridor between the Speaker of the Knesset's office, Yuli Edelstein, and just behind me, on the other side of that wall, is the Knesset Plenum, the chamber where, just now, or actually as we speak, I can tell you that we are about halfway through the alphabet. The 120 members of Knesset are casting their votes for the next president, the 10th president of Israel, who will succeed Shimon Peres, who has held the office for the last 7 years. As we've talked about on our conference calls, and as I'm sure you've seen in the news, this has been a very hotly contested campaign. Ruby Rivlin of the Likud has been the front runner most of the time, and throughout, and in fact until and after the first round of voting that started at 11 a.m. this morning and concluded at around 12:30. After they went through all 120, Ruby Rivlin was the front runner with 44 votes, and second to him was Meir Shitrit, also of Hatnuah, the Tzipi Livni party, formerly of Likud. But what came as a little bit of a surprise was that the two Dalias, Dalia Itzik, former former Speaker of the Knesset, as well as Dalia Dorner, who was the Supreme Court Justice, who were expected to be the second behind Ruby Rivlin, actually fell to third and fourth. And now, as the second round begins, we're going to see just who our next president is. As I said, the MKs, all of the members of Knesset, are currently in the chamber, being called one by one to cast their votes. As we may show you later on from inside the chamber, that you will be able to see that they go into a booth that is covered from the top so no one can see them vote. They take their ballot, they bring it out to a ballot box and drop the envelope in. It'll be counted by the Speaker's office after that, and we expect in just a little while for the Speaker of the Knesset, Yuli Edelstein, to announce who the next president is. In the meantime, stay tuned with AFL, because we will be here all of the afternoon. It is now a little after 2:30, a little after 7:30 on the East Coast, and we are going to be here all afternoon trying to get some of our MKs, our ministers, our friends here in the Knesset to speak to us about just the importance and the relevance of this presidential election is to the current government, to the state of Israel, to the people of Israel, and to all of us around the world. Stick with us. We expect to speak to you soon as we continue with our coverage right here from inside the Knesset.